In this video about slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is just a way to write linear equations. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Each of these variables stands for something different. The y is always your dependent variable. The x is always your independent variable. And usually those two things you just have to leave alone. M stands for slope, and if you can remember, slope is your rise over run or the rate of change. So when you read a scenario, whatever the rate of change is, how fast or how slow something is going, that's your M. B stands for y-intercept. Y-intercept is just where your line crosses the y-axis at when you graph it. And usually in a scenario, this is just the starting point. So now we're going to look at a scenario and we're going to solve to find. Our scenario is Luke has made 12 paintings. He continues to paint one painting per month. Well, we already know that we want to write an equation in slope-intercept form, so we want it to look like y equals mx plus b. First thing I always do is look to figure out what my dependent quantity or my y is, and what my independent quantity or my x is. In this scenario, the two things that are changing are the amount of paintings Luke has and then the number of months that have passed. The amount of paintings depends on how many months have passed, so paintings would be my y and months would have to be my x. Months is a time value. And almost any time is in your scenario, it is your x, your independent. When I look through this problem, I also see two numbers that are going to help me write my scenario, 12 and 1. But I have two places that those numbers can go. Remember, M stands for the rate of change. He makes one painting per month, so 1 would be the slope. And B is the y-intercept. How many has already happened? Well, Luke already has 12 paintings. So we end up with y equals 1x plus 12. And we can simplify this because anytime anything gets multiplied by 1, it's just itself.